Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because this is my third unboxing and I just love getting subscription boxes. So in today's video, we are going to be doing the Bijou beauty box for October 2019. If you want to know what I got inside my October box, then just stay tuned. All right, so Bijou. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I still don't know how you pronounce it. This is a beauty box. This is $30 a month. I do have a discount code. I will leave it right here that saves you, I believe it's 20% off. So let's see what we got. I did just cut the tape because I always have issues opening things up. All right, so there we go. Right here says Bijou Beauty Box, and right here says October 2019, and this month the value is $100.69. All right, what we got here? We got some Spoiled Cosmetics. If you use code BOX, B-O-X, you can save 20%, so there must be a Spoiled Cosmetics. And then Glam Light, so we must have something else that is Glam Light. Now, I have to say, for the past few months, there's been subscription boxes of having Glam Light, and it's like, all right, it's like, let's have something else besides Glam Light. But I can say, I do like the fact it is in a subscription boxes. I know, I'm being a hypocrite, but because I get to try them, so, all right. But I don't know what the heck's in here. So let me just move everything. All right, so you always get candy, so I like that. So we have some Skittles, and we have Starbursts. So thank you, Bijou box. All right, the first thing, so I am seeing from Glam Light. So this is a pizza thingamajiggy, fresh, baked, and delicious. Okay, so this is lashes right there. So I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does, and I say in a lot of videos, I do give these to her, so she does appreciate this. So this would be $12, and they're really pretty. The only thing I can say is I hate when companies use so much packaging for that. You know, it could be like just like a mini pizza slice, but you know. All right, so we have that. Packaging is pretty. We have from Too Faced Melted, what is this? Melted Matte, and this is in the shade, which be? I can't tell. It doesn't say. So this would be $21. That's weird that there's no shade on here. Usually right here you have a shade name. Is it? Yeah, I don't see the shade. All right. So let's do a little swatch. All right, so this is like a deep purple. Now, I don't tend to go for like the dark colors, but in the winter time or when it starts getting chilly, I don't mind. And then what I'll do is I'll just go in with a lighter shade to kind of like in the middle, like lighten it up. So, all right, we got that. The next thing we got is All Natural Lemon Lip Scrub. So we got this in a few subscription boxes this month, and I am so excited. I will never knock lip scrubs or lip balms. I love when subscription boxes have that in there. And this is $4.69. So I like that a lot. All right, the next thing we got is in here. So this looks like it's Rock Candy Beauty. That's $29. All right, what should be? Finish Fast Drying Silky. Oh, it's a setting spray. Yes, yes, and yes. This is really pretty packaging. I've never heard of Rock Candy before. And $29. Okay, let's see. So I don't like the mister, but what I can do is I'll go in with like a dampen beauty blender and like I'll push it in. I don't like the smell either, but I can tell you it is right when it says fast drying. It does dry fast, but I love setting spray, so I really like this box. I really do. I always say that. All right, and then we got from Spoiled Cosmetics. I have tried Spoiled Cosmetics before. Actually, I got some PR from them, so I do like their shades. I can tell you that. This is $34. I don't have this one, and their packaging is gorgeous. On the back does say the ingredients, which I like. This is an indie brand. Oh my God, the packaging is just gorgeous. All right. Ooh, so you do have a mirror. And then you have this. Let's take that off. This is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. This palette makes the box for me. That is really, really gorgeous. Let me swatch a couple. Oh my God, they're so creamy. Just like the Spoiled Cosmetics. I mean, look at that yellow. Let's see. So pretty. You do have 2 pressed glitters. I don't care for pressed glitters myself in here, but a lot of people do. Yeah, this palette is gorgeous. Let's see the yellow. Oh, yeah. All right, let's build that yellow up a little bit and see. It's definitely buildable. Look at that yellow, guys. That is so pretty. I gotta swatch a couple more. Let's see. Let's do a purple, dark purple. Let's do a shimmer shade. And I'll do this pale, like bluish green. I mean, that is just gorgeous, guys. Now, they don't swatch like real good, but they're definitely buildable. So if you do get Spoiled Cosmetics, because when I first start getting this, I was like, oh, I don't like the way it swatches. But I can say with this formula, it's the same formula as the other ones. It is buildable, and they do build up. I really like Spoiled Cosmetics. And I'm glad that what Bijou does is she does put a lot of indie brands in this box, which I love. I like seeing subscription boxes helping out smaller brands. So I think that's great. All right, so is that it? That's everything. So let's recap everything that we got. So we got the Spoiled Cosmetics palette, which I love Spoiled Cosmetics. We got these eyelashes from Glamlight. I think that is really good that you guys have, if you like eyelashes. I think that's really nice. We have from Too Faced. I don't know about, like I said, I have to look into this because I don't know. I need to look into this, but this is definitely the Too Faced. It's $21. I love the fact that we get Too Faced. This right here is the lip scrub, and I love getting lip scrub. I have not tried this, so I don't know. It's one of these kinds that that you just put on, and I love lip scrubs. And what else did we get? Oh, and we got this. This really does dry really fast, so I like that. So I really like the box, but let me know what you guys think for $30. Do you think it's worth it? Do you not? Don't forget, I do have a code that I don't make anything out of it. It's for you guys. You do get to save 20%. And another thing what she does is a lot of times she has a lot of sales. So always look, if you have Instagram, follow her on Instagram. I'll leave everything down below because sometimes she does have, you can get them for $15. You got to catch those sales. So that's everything, guys. And you always get candy. I don't know. Let me know all the tea. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth it? Do you not? Let me know what you think. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate this video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. I prefer that you thumbs it up. Don't make me come after you. But if thumbs it down, let me know. If you don't like this box, the more thumbs down I get, then I know that you guys don't want me to unbox this anymore. Make sure that you comment. Let me know. Tell me anything, how your day is. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. Oh, and make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. I have one in my Jeffree Star box, so make sure that you check out that mystery box. All right, guys, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.